We were very, very lucky to have this experience.
So many amazing things happen in these days. Oh no, I want to cry. Sorry. But I'm really happy.
Whoa! Wow, oh my God.
This Catalonian experience has been the opportunity of a lifetime for me, and some of my travel dreams have come true because of this opportunity.
We're on a hot family ride!
I envy you, and you are really lucky people having this beautiful country.
Dream come true.
I will take away a lot of awesome memories of the people I've met.
Our most favorite Catalonian experience.
We will be back.
We will be back.
We will be back.